when we wanna come closer. Don't tell them.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Loc Jewelry Spotlight. My name is Tiffany, I'm your host, and I'm here to show you more about the Loc Lassos and the new Gemstone hair ties which have launched. They're already launched. I am currently wearing Caribbean blue, so I threw my hair up in a bun. If you want to see part one of when I make it, you can go and see that. I'll have the link below to that other video. This is not the greatest bun. I actually did a better bun a couple weeks ago, like right before it was launching. I will try to come with my bun like done real for real, like another day. But the reason why I want to show you guys another way of wearing it. So right now, you know, you see it up in a bun, right? So I'm going to take it down like this, right? And like I said, I do have what's launching also, the comp ties. So usually when let me see. I'm gonna see if I can get this. Yeah, okay. So the comp ties, see, here's a comp tie. It's a brand new, and they're just basically little ties that are going to be complementary to any of the hair ties. And there'll be different gemstones, as they'll match the current gemstone in some way, shape, or form. Like for instance, this one we don't have the exact gemstone for. So we had to make tiger's eye to go with it. So for instance, you would find a tiger's eye comp tie to go with it. And we may see some blue down the road, but it might not be exact, you know what I mean? Like so. But anyways, like we have this one that I showed you in the last video, the anthracite gray with the pink, this is with the fossil coral. And it's like kind of a matte fossil coral. So you might have like, this might be the comp tie, is that this part, so that when you know wear them, they kind of complement each other, you know. So just a couple other ones that I can show you. We have Sacramento green. I didn't show you that from the last video. Sacramento green, and this is green Adventurine. It's very pretty, very stunning, very like one of those neutrals, right? I'm just showing you some that I did not show you in the last video. This one is graphite black with ONYX, and this is for people who just want plain black. That's all they want. They just want plain black. If you request this and you like it in gold, with the gold, I may have the gold option coming down the pike, where you could choose between the black, you know, the gold and the silver. But for now, I have the silver. And so we've got that. Then we have brownstone. This is tiger's eye. It's like tiger iron, tiger's eye. It's a different version of tiger's eye. And it has these really pretty like streaks going through it. I hope you could see it. And it's very nice for people who like neutrals. I showed you guys this in the last video, this India Bloodstone, right? So I showed you that. And then this one is Bird's Eye Rhyolite. It's like it's a Jasper kind of stone, and it's nice for people who like, let's say you couldn't get the Crazy Lace Jasper. It was sold out. Well, you could get this one. It's just as gorgeous. This one is just as gorgeous as the Crazy Lace Jasper. Just as gorgeous. It's wonderful, wonderful, wonderful stone. Then one of the newest ones that I've seen, there's two new ones. One is African Map Jasper. I've never seen or heard of this stone before, African Map. And then we have Artistic Jasper. They say this is also called Wild Horse Jasper. And so this one's so pretty. Oh my God, I love this. I think these two are really my favorite. I love this because it has like a paint, it's almost like a paintbrush look to it. And it's just not, it's like so abstract, and I just absolutely love it. And it's paired with the Artistic Jasper Gemstone, so we were able to find the exact match. Then we have this zebra Jasper, and this is called Carbon Black and Snow White. Carbon Black and Snow White, and this one's really nice, so you can only imagine if you're wearing black and white. And I wouldn't wear it with this one, but you know, that's really nice to have that. And then this one I did show you in the last video. It's this is the Azalea Pink, and it stands out big time. Azalea Pink. Okay, and then we have Cherrywood. Cherrywood. This is red Jasper, brachiated Jasper. So that, and then we have this green is Ruby Zoisite. Ruby Zoisite. I think this is called Hunter Green Rose, and it has the rose streaks through it. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Yeah, so we have a lot of new ones. Yeah, so anyways, I'm going to take this down before this camera dies and show you really quick like how you can wear one of these ties that's different. Right? So what I have here is just a regular old for the gym hair tie. You can grab these, but I don't have any right now that have the logo on them, you know. So anyway, I have that. Well, I think I'll use this one so you can see better, the Azalea Pink. So you will just pull it back like this. You put your hair like, let me see. I would just probably go like this. You go around like that, then you pull it up, and then you pull it back like this. See? I hope you can see it. Now, let's say you think that that's too loose. Well, all you have to do is just, you take the barrel out of the little hole, and you will, see, and then you'll go around again. So you'll take it, and I have to go underneath to go around again, and I'm just being very careful pulling it. And you kind of got like a double elastic there, so you do have some sturdiness there, but still it's very, you still just want to be careful with it, you know. And so there you go, it's a lot tighter, and I have it right here, so hopefully you can see it. I'll kind of see if I can do this. I think you guys can see. Yeah, you should be able to see from this angle. There you go. There you have it. So that's another way of wearing it. Just pulling it up in the back, nice and simple. It doesn't have to be in a big bun or anything like that. It can just be pulled back. I'll put one more on so you can see. I will wear the Figure-8, but this time I'm not gonna, I'll wear a different Figure-8. I'll wear the red, right? This one is not on the website, not yet. I think because we need more supplies, but what I would do is I would just do it like this, right? And then you're gonna pull it like this. Just like you would do the same thing that you would do with the, for the gem hair tie. The only difference is that you're gonna make sure the top of this part is at the top. So I'm gonna bring this up. And let me show you so I can turn around. It might not be perfect, but you'll probably be able to see a little bit better if I do that. Let's see. I hope I have it all tucked in correctly. There. Now, you see it right here? Now you can make it go around again if you want to. You can make it super tight. And then bring it around the front like that. And then you can also spread them out, like spread them out if you want. I really don't know how that looks, but I'm just saying that you can like spread it out, make it go all the way down. And then of course we have this, you know, we have the comp tie to help with that, you know. So there we go with that, right? I'm gonna take it off. Just like this. And then I'm gonna put on just a regular one of the ready to wear hair ties. This one. And I think the name of this one, I'll probably have to put it up on the screen. Let me see. Ready to wear. This one is oh my gosh. No, I don't think. Okay, this will be up. If it's not up, it'll be up by the time I launch this. But it's a nice green CHRYSOCOLLA, that's what it is. But that's not the name of the piece, but that's the name of the stone. And then it has, see, that's why I wanted to start with it here. Bring it around like that. See? And there you have it. That one, yeah, this one's really nice. It's CHRYSOCOLLA with blue goldstone. So it has these really, the blue goldstone has these sparklies in it. Sparklies. You'd have to see it. So it's a nice one. It's really nice. These are functional, very functional. So I wanted to make sure that regardless of what your budget, you can afford anything. You can afford the gem hair ties, you can afford the comp ties, which are coming out. You can afford the Loc Lassos and the Figure-8s are a little bit on the higher end, but they're still worth it. They're very unique pieces. You can have them for life. You know, if your band or something snaps like within the first 14 days or something like that, like 14 days or 21 days, it's on my website too, like return and exchange. You can exchange it and have us repair it, or have us repair it for free. But you probably would have to help with the shipping and handling. But for the most part, we'll do all of that for free for you if it happens to snap. you know. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today. I just wanted to come back and say hey and try to do a little demo. I will be back to do more soon. All right, have a great one. Bye.